Now to solve this question, see second part of the story now. There are 2 points of views for this. Listen carefully children. There are 2 point of views for this. One is the parents' point of view and another children's point of view. According to parents' point of view, for parents, whatever decision they take for their children is always correct because they are more experienced in life. But from children's point of view, for children, they are mature enough to take the decisions of their life, and sometimes parents are unaware about new things in life. Sometimes parents are unaware about new things in life. So children's point of view is, their point of view must also be given consideration. So here there is a contradiction, clash between parents and children's point of view. So we say that story raises the moral question. And what is that moral question? Question is, and this is also very important 6 marks of question where you have to answer, whether the parents are always correct in taking decision for their children, or sometimes children must be given a chance to take their own decisions. I am repeating again, whether the parents are always correct in taking decision for their children, or sometimes children must be given a chance to take their own decisions. And dear children, according to your point of view, you will definitely say this thing, that yes, children must be given a chance to take their own decision. So see what happened. Answer to this question is ambiguous. Double answer is there. One from the child's point of view and one from the parents' points of view. Now in this story, let's relate the story with this question. In this story of Jack and Joe, as Jack was telling story to his daughter Joe, so according to Jack, who represents father, parents here, mommy should hit wizard. Title of the chapter is Should Wizard Hit Mommy? So according to Jack, mommy should hit wizard because he had changed the body order of his son without her permission. She has right to take decision for her child. She likes her ugly smell and wanted it back. And according to Jack, wizard should not hit mommy. According to Jack, listen carefully, answer to the title according to parents' point of view is, wizard should not hit mommy because mommy had done nothing wrong. In contradiction, according to Joe, as child likes his fragrance of roses and wizard had done nothing wrong by changing his bad smell into fragrance, so according to Joe, wizard should hit mommy back because according to children, mommy had no right to hit wizard, and so to take his revenge, wizard should hit mommy. This is the answer to the title of the story from the child's point of view, and wizard should not hit mommy. This is the answer to the title of the story according to parents. So I have told you that answer is ambiguous. You have to give the answer to the title of the story from 2 different perspectives, one from the parents' view and one from the child's point of view. I hope title is now clear to you and you get the answer also. One more thing in the story is, see last thing what is there. Joe was, as you all know, Joe was in the habit of listening since 2 years. I have already told you this thing. So now she became so inquisitive in nature that she kept on doing counter question to his father during story session. She is now in a habit to put questions to the father time and again. And before Jack move on in the story, she tells instantly what will happen next, which irritates her father. As Jack wanted to help his wife Claire, who is pregnant now, in household work, but Joe is not going to sleep and is not satisfied with the ending given by Jack to the story of Roger Skunk. So Jack was caught in an ugly middle position in the chapter. See how he was caught. At one side, he wanted that Joe must sleep as early as possible, and on another side, he wanted to help his wife Claire. So I hope students you have understood the chapter Should Wizard It Mommy, and you get the answer to the title of the chapter. Now read the chapter, and if you have any problem, call me. Thank you.